Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is a very common plant for Indians. And I'm pretty sure that except India, there are many other places that have this plant. This plant is commonly known as hibiscus plant. In Hindi, it is also known as gudhal, and in Bengali, it is known as jaba. This flower has different colors and many different types. This flower has many healthcare benefits. And sometimes we may also use it for hair care, skin care, etc. And as winter arrives, the plant's health gets bad. So let us show you some tips on how you can take care of this plant. And in the end of the video, we'll also show you how you can use the flowers for hair care. My mom already added some mulching to this. So right now she is removing the mulch and is going to add some manure to the plant. In here you can use vermicompost or any other compost that you may use, but here my mom is only going to give kitchen waste compost. If you have been watching our videos, you know that we only do organic gardening. So because of this, we feel that the kitchen waste compost is the best organic fertilizer to give to our plants. As we have desi type of hibiscus, it is not a problem giving solid manures. But if you have a hybrid type, do not give any kind of solid manure. Because the hybrid hibiscuses normally stay in dormancy period. After giving some manure, my mom is again adding the mulch. I hope you know that mulch is really important as it helps to maintain the temperatures of the plant. Okay, now time to tell you how to make the hair care recipe. Today we are making homemade cleanser for your hair. First you have to give Retha. Then you simply have to give Shikakai. Then give some Indian gooseberry, also known as amla. Then you can add dried neem leaves or bringoraj leaves. Then add some flaxseed to this mixture. Then you simply have to give crushed fenugreek seeds. And the main ingredient after all of this is hibiscus. Red hibiscus is the best ones. And if you wish, you can give dry hibiscuses or even fresh hibiscuses. After adding all these to the mixture, make sure to soak them for 8 to 10 hours in water. Then boil it after 8 to 10 hours for 10 to 15 minutes only. Then you simply have to stain it. And after staining it, your hair cleanser will be ready to use. You can store it up to 1 month in your refrigerator. It is really good and chemical free. It helps to grow your hair more healthy and prevents hair fall. You can surely try it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.